away? 2 hours? 3? 4? Okay, 5? Can we carry on? 5? Is there anyone further than that? I'm pretty sure there is. Oh yes, there is! How often was that?
8 hours.
8 hours? Same. Welcome to everyone. Students, parents and colleagues, welcome to the opening of a brand new year at the Roots Academy. As we stand here today, we're reminded that every journey begins with a single step. For each one that's taking that step, it starts here at the Roots Academy today. In Jeremiah 29 verse 11, the Bible says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to give you hope and a future." Your journey at the Roots Academy is part of your future. And just like a traveler packing for a trip, you've got a suitcase full of gifts, your skills, your passion, and your strengths. So here's my suitcase for today. Do you like it? This suitcase represents what you bring to the table. What's inside here? Let's have a look. First, it's curiosity. To explore, learn and to grow. Resilience. To face challenges and bounce back. Creativity. To solve problems and to dream. Kindness. To lift others on your journey. And perseverance. To push through when things get tough. As students, you'll unpack these skills every day, in class, on the sports fields, and also in friendships. But let me tell you, you're not alone on this journey. Our incredible lecturers are the best in the business. They're just not experts, but they're also experts in their fields. They're passionate about guiding you, challenging you, and cheering you on. They've got their own suitcases full of experiences, wisdom, and a lot of patience. As they're ready to help you unpack yours. Your journey starts here because, first of all, you choose to show up, to learn, and to try. You decide what you are packing into your future, and you lead by being curious, brave, and kind. As you navigate this year, remember, growth happens outside your comfort zone. Don't be afraid to take risks. Your uniqueness is your superpower. Don't compare yourselves with others. Every challenge is an opportunity. Learn from setbacks and keep moving forward. So, as we kick off this year, ask yourself, what is in my suitcase? What skills will I unpack today? And how will I use this to shape my story? As your principal, I'm here to support you in every way possible. Our staff and I commit ourselves to fostering an atmosphere of understanding, respect, and encouragement. So do not hesitate to reach out to us. We are invested in in your journey and want to feel you welcomed, valued, and inspired throughout your time here at the Roots Academy. So I would like to acknowledge today and introduce to you our highly trained staff and my second family. Please stand as I call your name. First of all, we've got Chef Nathan Robinson. You've met him. It's our executive chef and pastry lecturer. Chef Jackie Capes, you've also met her. She's our academic head, our first and second year chef and hospitality lecturer. Then Evelyn Chaka Zamba, did I say that right? And she's our day lecturer and one of our alumni. Next is Lynn van Skalkwyk. You've all had emails from her. She's our student liaison and also our graphic designer. So next is Faith Malgas. She's handling our finances and our student accounts. And then also we call in Hilton Takawira, who's also finance and student accounts. In closing, as you stand on the threshold of this new academic year, I invite you to embrace the theme, your journey starts here. Open your hearts and your minds, trust in God's plan, and let us embark on this exciting adventure together. May your journey here be filled with discovery, with growth, and with countless blessings. Thank you, and welcome to Roots Academy. Let's make this an unforgettable year.